So there are many things that I like in life, like good health, strong relationships, bald heads, beards, and making unboxing videos. And today I'm unboxing a little mystery box I got from the people over at Black Wolf Nation. So let's go. What's up, everybody? If this is the first time we're meeting, I'm Mike. This is Bald and Strong, where being bald is a lifestyle and I want to help you make the most of it. Black Wolf reached out to me and wanted to know if I would do an unboxing video for them. And I said naturally, sure. A few days later, this is what's arrived. Putting up, I have a body and face wash bundle. One of these items was loose in the box, the other one is inside of another packaging. So it's an unboxing inside of an unboxing? Up first, we have the face wash. Comes in this nice 5-ounce shiny squeeze type bottle in appearance. Also has their easy to follow steps on it. It does have a pleasant aroma, and I do like pleasant smells. So now for the exciting part. What is in this package that's inside the box? It's body wash. So this 10-ounce container, it's practically a twin in appearance to its face wash cousin. But honestly, when you look at these two side by side, or you hold them really close together, the face wash is 5 ounces. This body wash, if you actually look at the container, it says 10 ounces. They almost are like the same size, so it's like it almost doesn't jive. One is twice as many ounces, but the container doesn't seem twice as big. So it's interesting. I notice a slightly different aroma with the body wash than I do the face wash. Not bad, just different. Now, for what it's worth, this body wash is supposed to be done in the shower, so maybe with water and everything, and you use the face wash and the body wash together. I'm sure the smells will blend together and pair very nicely. It was just something I noticed. We get an ingredient glossary card, which is nice. I'm a big fan of transparency and clarity with ingredients, but they did this, I'm noticing they have all of their products listed on this. So I only have 2 in here, but there are multiple products listed on here. So they probably just, it's smart, use one card fits all for your whole product catalog. You can just put one card in each box, so that way everybody knows what they're getting. And I'm also realizing they're doing this for another reason. They don't actually have the ingredients stamped on the containers. What I did notice stamped on the bottom of the body wash bottle is an expiration date. Now, I'm not too concerned with this because active charcoal does not, in fact, have an expiration date. Just many companies use this as a way to help rotate their stock. So I'm excited to use these 2 products for about a week. I'm going to do a follow-up video on the actual products themselves, how I'm liking them, and my overall impressions. So a very big thank you to Black Wolf Nation, who supplied this kit for me to do this unboxing video with. I'm very excited to give them a try, give these products a try. I like the fact that they use active charcoal. I am a fan of that ingredient. And also, I'm a big fan of trying products that are out of the norm, not so much the big major brands that we all know. I like trying different things. So I'm very excited about this. Thank you again to Black Wolf and Black Wolf Nation. All of their stuff, guys, I'm gonna have links to their website, their Instagram page down in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. Guys, if you wouldn't mind subscribing, if you're not a subscriber already, go ahead and like the video and comment down below if you've ever used Black Wolf products before. Thanks so much, and until the next time. Be sure to come back next week for my follow-up video on these exact products after I've used them.